Step number 7 is really just double checking. It's not really a constructing or an assembly part of the process. To double check to make sure that the set screws on the driving shaft are tight. The set screws are checked before the press is packed, but it's a good idea to know where the set screws are, because over the life of the press it's a good idea to check to make sure that they're still tight. There are 2 set screws on one end of the driving shaft on the spur gear, and there's another set screw on the other end of the drive shaft, which is just a spacer. It holds its place and unlikely it would ever become loose. Sometimes we apply a product called thread locker made by Loctite. We remove each set screw and we apply just a drop of the Loctite and we replace the set screw. We do that for each of the 2 set screws on the spur gear. Again, this is not part of the assembly process. It's just something to know about as you use the press over the course of its life, and make sure that those set screws are never loose.